Why? Why would anybody want to do this? I hated the wires. I hated seeing all these wires in my previous desk. Hated them. Plus, with all those wires, it's very hard to clean. Now, if I need to dust up there, it's going to be one easy sweep. If I need to dust over here, it'll be one easy sweep. And then the floor, because there's nothing on the floor, I just easily vacuum. This is my Home Depot desk. I have made a video about that, and definitely I have now outgrown that particular desk. There is the wall. This is again the brackets. Supposedly these will hold about 550 pounds. Just to play it safe, I have 4 of these brackets. We will be using these toggle bolts. What I would have to do is drill a hole, a 1/2-inch hole, and you would maneuver this in this vertical position, insert this inside the wall, then move this mechanism here so that it's flat and it hits up against the inside of the metal stud. Pretty weird. That is definitely a metal stud. So you could see right there, I've already measured it. I want the tabletop to be at 28 inches there. Then I'm gonna drill a hole. There it is. So I'm gonna put it straight. Then I'm gonna see if it'll go in. I'm gonna go ahead and insert that. So there you could see it's now fastened. Now I'm just gonna push this locking mechanism. That locking mechanism is now on the drywall, and then the anchor quadruple test. I know this is overkill, but this will just give me the confidence. I'm basically just gonna break those off there. So now the bolt is actually holding on to the anchor on the inside. I don't know if you can imagine that. Boom. And there's your bracket. This 85-pound, 96-inch tabletop. It's actually a butcher block tabletop by Allen and Roth from Lowe's.
To feel so far away, didn't think I had a part to play. I used to let things bring me down. I would walk with my eyes to the ground, but I knew I could find a way to push through. Every word they said, I grew strong. I knew right from wrong, and now I feel it too. I'm alive, yeah, I'm alive. I'm alive, yeah, I'm
This
alive.
table is gonna go, this cabinet's gonna go here. Okay, it's just gonna hook. It's gonna hook on there. Watch the bracket. Those cabinets that I had up there, we took them down. They were from Lowe's. They were nice, but it felt like I was in the kitchen. I returned those, quickly went to Amazon. I changed them to these cabinets. This is my monitor that I will use for my MacBook. The HDMI will feed through there and come out there. My MacBook is going to be sitting here. But at the same time, the power for that monitor will also go through there. The tabletop will be here and it'll come out here and then plug there. There is the final result. Underneath here in the cabinets, there's my Mac, some fancy LED lights. These are two separate cabinets. I did put holes in between the walls so that I can fit all of my electronics there. That's really the #1 reason why we do floating items, is because it's easy to clean and it's sleek looking, truthfully. Anyway, that's my project. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Looking forward to watching your video. Looking forward to your comments. Hopefully you're doing well. God bless. Take care. We'll see you soon.